Hello and welcome to my Python challenge series. Here I'm going to be working through some Python challenges that have been designed just for beginners and showing you some model answers to the challenges. So let's take a look at challenge number 3. Challenge 3 is called Area Calculator. It says create a program that calculates the area of a rectangle. Prompt the user for the length and width of the rectangle and then print the calculated area. Okay, let's do this. So I know that I need a variable called length, and that's going to be a float, and I'm going to get some input, and the prompt is enter the length of the rectangle, just like that. And next up, I need a width variable. That's also going to be cast as a float and input. So prompt for the user will be enter the width of the rectangle. And now we need to calculate the area. So a variable called area is going to be equal to, and I can copy my variable length, and this is going to be multiplied by, and I'm going to grab the width variable, just like that. Now we're just going to print out the result. So we'll say that the area of the rectangle is, and then quite simply with a comma we can separate it and insert the area variable. Okay, let's run this. So we're going to have 17 and 9, and the area of the rectangle is 153. So we have a simple area calculator using Python.